Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to get started with this green eyeshadow, and this is from the avocado palette from Makeup Revolution. So I'm just going to be adding that on top of my crease line and blending it as well. Then I'm going to be moving into the net 69 and grabbing that green, which is more pigmented and a little more brighter. So I'm just going to be doing that, adding it and blending it as I go. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to start cutting my crease. So now I'm moving on to this Nala palette from Amor'us, and I'm grabbing that green and adding it to the inner and outer corner of my eyes. So I'm just going to be adding that color and then blending as I go. So I'm going back to the avocado palette with that lime green color, and I'm adding that to the center of my eye. Then I'm going to go with LA Splash Glue and this bright, beautiful glitter from the Nala palette. So now using this bright green and adding it on the crease line. So now I'm using this dark green and I'm just going to be applying it on the outer corner of my eyes, blending it with the other green, and then I'm just going to be doing the same thing on top of the crease line, just blending it and then going back with that bright green and then blending those two colors together. As you can see, it starts looking better and better, so just keep blending. So now I'm going to go back with that bright green and I'm just going to be blending everything together with this. So I decided to extend the glitter line into a wing. So I'm applying a goldish highlighter to the inner tear duct and then on the top of my brow bone. So once I'm done applying and setting my foundation, I'm going to start adding this green on the bottom of my eyes. And then I'm going to be adding some of that dark green to the outer side of the eyes. And I'm going in with some black liner and I'm just going to be smudging it with a brush. And then I'm reapplying that green just so you could see it through the liner. Apply some mascara. And for lips, I am going to go with a nude lip today. I'm going to be adding this lip gloss and it's also a nude color. So once I'm done applying everything else, I just have to apply some highlighter, and that's it guys. This is the finished look. Thank you all for your support. I'll be seeing you guys next time.